Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. Discover how data export and import works in Invent ERP. First, we'll walk you through importing your data, then show you how to export it, complete with practical and smart tips. Ready to work smarter? Let's dive in. Navigate to the Settings section. Access the technical settings, and click on Data Import. Then Add. From here, you can select the type of files you want to import. For example, select the Customers and Vendors option. Importing is easy. Just follow the steps. First, download the template. And then proceed to the next step. Follow the instructions. Next, fill the downloaded file with the details you need. Upload the file. The system will run a quick check on your uploaded file to make sure it's compatible with the existing data. Once done, the imported files process in the background, so you can keep working without any interruptions. Want to save time? You can also import data directly from any list page. The export process couldn't be simpler. Let's walk through an example. We'll export the products list together. You'll see an export button, click it, and you're all set. And the best part? It's available on every list in the system. So you can export whatever you need, whenever you need it. And that's it. Now you know how to import and export data in Invent ERP, quick, easy, and efficient. Thanks for watching.